Well, sir, it's raining again, even though it's supposed to be kind of summer. Can't really see the rain. It's not raining heavily, but I want to make another. Since it seems to get quite a bit of views, these videos, so yeah. But yeah, it's not coming down heavy. And you can kind of see the rain. Yeah. People probably wondering, what the fuck am I doing? Yeah, unfortunately, anyone who wants me to walk in wet mud, I don't think that's going to work. That's the only wet patch of mud in this garden. I don't think that's really good, suitable for walking on, so, yeah. Yep, there's the cat. Here he is. Hello. 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 Hey, good boy. Yeah. Right. Say hello. Got some dirt on your chin there. Yay. Da-da. And I can switch the camera in real time, which I couldn't do with my old phone. My new phone has like a dual video thing, where I can actually have the front and rear camera at the same time. Like that. No, okay, no wait, that's rear. There we go. And I can swap those around if I want to. So yeah, yeah. Can't really see the rain there. Go in. My eyes look really red. I got no sleep the night. So, but yeah, it's not coming down as heavy as like it usually would, or before I usually. So, but you know, this is still quite a lot of rain we've had, despite the fact that this is supposed to be summer. Is that focusing? Yeah. So yeah. Make sure it's very slippery or it's wet. Yeah, I don't know if you can really see the rain though. It was actually hammering it down the other day. Yeah, it was hammering it down like a hell of a lot yesterday, or the day before. And I was going to use my old phone, but the back panel is cracked. And one of the cracks goes over the camera. So I couldn't actually take any videos. So I'm having to use my new phone. Hence why I'm able to do this. Which my old phone, god damn it, got it wrong again. Which my old phone couldn't do. So, yeah, fancy, and very wet, and I'm sure people don't really want to look at my face, so, there we go. But yeah. Wonder how many people are actually looking at me. And this is our garden, if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos. It's actually surprisingly cold. again, this is like in August. It's supposed to be still slightly warm, as far as I'm aware. But, hello. Ow. Yeah, that's not very deep enough. Yeah, it's actually surprisingly cold. This is quite early on Saturday morning as well. I don't usually do much on a Saturday morning because my friend comes round. So I don't really have anything to do on a Saturday morning. Hence why I did that barefoot brick walk a few weeks ago. But yeah, Jesus, it's actually quite cold. I'm actually getting quite nippy. So, yeah. Yeah, that's it. I'm kind of still annoyed though that I couldn't take videos of the downpour the other day, but yeah, unfortunately my phone, I couldn't use it. I might hop onto eBay at some point and get a cheapy phone with a decent camera that I don't mind like getting damaged from the rain or snow or whatever. So depending on how much it rains next time, it might be a lot colder. Probably more like October, November. I'll be wearing jeans at that point probably, because although I do like the cold, I can't wear shorts during the cold months. You know, I do have limits to my cold tolerance. I'm probably talking a bit nonsense now as well, so I'm going to go in because the rain has actually slowed down a bit, so it's a bit pointless now. And my new phone is getting wet, so let's go indoors. Yeah, should I get a scene for the thumbnail or something? Yeah. Or should I do that? Is that one? Are they good for the thumbnail? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, let's go in and try not to slip on this death floor. I've already slipped on this floor twice. Killed myself. Also needs a bloody mat, as you can see. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go now, and oh god lord. There's something on the screen, hang on. There we go. So yeah, thank you for watching, and that's another video. Another barefoot in the rain video, number 5, I think. What's it, chewing gum? I apologise if anyone can hear me chewing. I don't like it when people. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll make more if I can when it starts to rain. So or snow. I'll try and make a snowy one as well if it snows this year. So anyway, thank you for watching. Bye. So I gotta look over here. I want to look at the camera when I stop, but I need to see where I'm pushing the stop button over this side. So that didn't work. Hang on.